What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix battery drain from mobile networks on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all open quick settings panel, and from here click on the settings icon and then click on connections. Now in connections, scroll down and here click on more connection settings. So tap on mobile networks and from here tap on network mode. So if 5G is not available in your area, then select the second option, and after selecting second option it will help you to fix your battery draining issue from mobile network. Now the second solution to fix this issue is open settings again, scroll down and click on connections. Now in connections tap on data usage. Now scroll down and click on mobile data usage, and from here check which apps are using more data. So if a app is using more data than it usually use, then uninstall that app from your mobile. Now third solution to fix this issue is open settings again, scroll down and click on general management. Now in general management click on scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings. Now click on reset settings and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then again click on this reset option to reset your mobile network settings. So after resetting mobile network settings, it will reset your network settings in your mobile, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So after all these solutions, I hope it will fix your problem. But if you are still facing the same problem, then check for your signal strength. So if your signal strength is weak, it will take more battery to use the network. So go to a area where the signal strength is good, and then your battery drain from mobile network will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.